how to fix Telegram SMS code problem. If you want to actually fix the SMS code problem on Telegram because maybe you're trying to log in and you're not being able to do so, first ensure that your phone number is typed in correctly, because sometimes it could just be an incorrect phone number that is causing the issue. Second, make sure your Wi-Fi is working fine and that your cellular tower is also working fine, which means your SIM card or the phone number that you have access to. Make sure you have access to that phone number to receive the verification code. Now sometimes instead of sending the SMS code on this phone number, it will send the code to one of the existing devices where your Telegram account is still logged in. So what you have to do in that case is you can try to check those devices where your Telegram account is still logged in, like your tablet or your computer. Now if it's still not working, you can actually download this alternative version of Telegram known as Telegram X. This is also one of the official app from Telegram themselves. It's not a third-party app. It is developed by Telegram developers, and you can use this app if you're not receiving code on the Telegram normal app, no matter what you do. So hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching.